how to start a chat on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Let's start sending messages. See the pencil icon at top right corner. Tap it. This is how you start a new chat. You will see your contact who are already on Signal. Scroll through the list and tap the friend you want to message. The chat window opens. Tap the text field at bottom and type your message and hit send. You can also send photo, videos, voice message or emoji by tapping the icon next to the text field. Make your chat fun and expressive. To chat with multiple friends, tap new group and add contacts. Give your group a name and you are ready to chat together. And that's it. Starting a chat on Signal is super easy. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it so your friend can also enjoy secure messaging. Happy chatting and thank you for watching.